Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about else if statement. We know that if statement is good at testing one thing. Now we also know that if else statement is good between choosing two decisions. But what if we have more than two decisions? And an example of this, of course, suppose you own a t-shirt shop. We are going to have more sizes than just one or two. We are going to have like small, medium, large, extra large. So unless we wanted to write a bunch of if statement, which can be kind of confusing, we need a better way of doing this. So let me go ahead and actually code a program right now to explain this to you. We will make a program to give the user the average of 3 test grades. So of course the grades that they have to choose from is A, B, C, D and F. So we will say float grade 1, we'll just copy this, float grade 2, float grade 3. So what the user is going to do is we are going to give them an area to enter 3 test grades and we'll store in floats. So printf a little prompt for them, enter 3 test grades \n. So since we give them a prompt, we have to give them a place to write that. So scanf %f \n comma ampersand, because we are using a float, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So now we have 3 numbers from them, and the only thing we have to do now is get the average to make a new make a new variable called float average, which is equals to grade 1 plus grade 2 plus grade 3. We'll just put this in parenthesis. Now sum of this divided by 3, which is our average. So we just print out this average on the screen, printf average %.2f, because we want to display 2 decimal places, \n comma average. Now if we run this, it will show enter 3 test grades. I'll just put 85, 98, 78. Average is 87.00. Now what we want to do is we need to take the average and print out a grade something for the report card A, B, C, D, or F, and we need to test 5 different criteria. So test if average is greater than or equal to 90, then uh, printf grade is A. So this is the part where we can get some trouble, because if we write else, so we get only two options to choose, but we have to perform a bunch of operation. So here we can use a new keyword called else if. We need to give this one a test because it is not just a default. So the test will say uh, a average is greater than or equal to 80. Print f. Okay, we'll just copy this. Paste here b. Paste, paste. Here I'll put 70. Here I'll put 60. B. Grade is C when above or equal to 70. Grade is D when above or equal to 60. Now here the point where I want to take a break and mention what's going on. So basically what's going to happen is our program is going to test first if their grade is above 90, then it's going to skip all the statements because it only can choose one of these options, and if the criteria is greater than equal to 70, then it will print grade is C. It only runs one of these things. Once it find the criteria that passes, it only runs the one in that block, not everything. So we used 90, 80, 70, 60. Okay, if none of those are true, then we can go ahead and just add that default else statement, because if none of them are true, then their grade must be less than 60. Nothing else is possible. So else printf grade is f fail. So if we run this, This will ask what enter three test grades. I'll just put 85, 98, 89. Average is 90. Grade is A. Here it will perform this operation. Now I'll show you another example of this. Uh, enter three test grade. 26, 35, 31. Enter. Average is 30. Grade is F. Fail. So this is how we perform else if statement to make decisions. I hope you understand how to perform else if statement and how it is useful to make decisions. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and do subscribe my channel.